Another one. There's this guy. He did loads and loads of work for the Irish language, and he was a publisher and he edited the Irish language newspapers, and he wrote a whole lot of books. He's about 95 at the moment. But I was at one book launch about 4 years ago, the year before COVID-19, I think it was. And he wrote this book called Cad Fúainne or Shin, What a Bus Then. And I later wrote this piece of music and I gave it the same title. It was asked the question, what a bus then? Back to normal piano. announcement to make.
I love you. Well, I made a quick observation there, right? Jerry, Paul, stand up. Get up here. Very quickly.
Please.
So you're excluded, okay? But I was looking around me and I was like, spot the paddies.
Yeah,
Right? Everybody has a lovely top on them, right? Look at us in our t-shirts, rolled up sleeves, shirts, and shorts.
Nobody needs.
Nobody needs, you know. So,
Summer, do you see that?
so if you ever want to meet an Irishman, here you go. So, as I was looking at everybody getting cold and they're putting on these jackets and
It only lasts 3 days.
and we're over here sweating. So what I think we do there, guys, is well, big build up us for Diarmuid and Sarah and Molly and for every. But what I think we do is we go for a walk up the fields now, and we'll go and visit the standing stones and the double spiral and stuff. And then when we come back down, we might have another wee bit of music. Are you coming up with a Diarmuid, or are you going to head on? Or?
Yeah.
Well, or if you want to stay with Sally and have the crack with her. Because I don't know, Peter, are you going to stay or are you coming up for it? I think Miss Cox's back might need a wee bit of work on it. If you want, you know what I mean? What was that? Oh no, we're going to walk up, Jerry. Are you coming up with us or
Yeah,
you?
well, I have the 4-wheeler van, but you won't go.
No. Well, I think, well, what I was going to say is Peter offered to have a look at time.